Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video on my experience so far with using sportingsmiles.com. So about 3 days ago, I purchased their dental impression kit after doing some research online. I didn't want to go back to the dentist and their prices seemed very reasonable based on the estimates that I did get in the past. So checkout was very simple, and about 3 days later, this came in the mailbox. As you can see, I had a tracking number and they emailed all of this information directly to me. And the way that the process works is I use the dental impression kit that's inside this box to take an impression of my teeth. And then I can use the same box and the return shipping label inside here to return the impression to Sporting Smiles. And from there, they'll ship back my retainers. I don't even have to leave my house. It's really convenient. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is what you'll get inside of the box. First, you have return shipping. Like I said, you can put this on the same box and return your impression kit. Then you get your instruction pamphlet. This gives you instructions on how you apply your impression kit and how you take an impression of your teeth. Then you get your trays to take your impressions with. I purchased both the top and the bottom, so of course I got two. And next you get the putty that you'll use to do your dental impression. There is a video on the website of how to mix it and apply it. It seems pretty simple to do, shouldn't be an issue. And finally you get your informational card that you'll return with your dental impression kit. This is so they know who the kit is from and that they have your proper information in returning the kit to you. And that's it guys. All I have to do now is take my impressions and send it back and I'll be all good to go. I'm really happy with the customer service so far and I really recommend using sportingsmiles.com.